Read the story, learn the golden rules of accounting, and prepare the balance sheet. For government departments and all companies, firms, and LLPs, story of balance sheet, third edition, revised and updated by Parkash Indora. The book is blend of fiction and non-fiction to make understand what is balance sheet and how it is prepared. The book is in the form of story which revolves around a temple. The story has been explained through the dialogues of two friends, namely Sohan and Mohan, along with other characters. The golden rules of accounting have been explained through the dialogues of two friends. Mohan learns the accounting through practical activities and prepares and analyzes the balance sheet. The book contains photos of satsang, preachings, pictures of buildings to explain rules of income and expenditure, assets and liabilities, etc. Three Danpatra donation boxes are symbols of the cash flow of money during the year and give the learning to prepare receipt and payment account. Finally, income and expenditure statement and the balance sheet is prepared and analyzed. The language of the book is very simple. The author of the book is Controller of Finance and Accounts in CSIR, Central Electronics Engineering Research Institute, Pillani, Rajasthan, which is a constituent laboratory of CSIR, Government of India. He is qualified as MA English, B.Ed, PGDMM, LLB, Delhi University. He has experience of preparing and analyzing the balance sheet for more than 32 years. He has written this book on his personal experience and knowledge of accounting. This book has been published by Notion Press Media Private Limited, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. This is the story of balance sheet. Third edition by Jayaprakash Indora. Buy this book and read it as story and prepare the balance sheet. The book contains 247 pages through pictures, charts, This is the cancer hospital constructed by the temple. Here, the treatment of cancer is given. This was the under construction building of hospital to explain work in progress transaction in balance sheet. Satsang is going on in temple and Babaji giving Ashirwad to the Shraddhalus. This is the picture of satsang dated 4 June 2023 and Sardhalus are taking the Ashirwad of Babaji. Here, double entry bookkeeping system has been explained through the practical transactions in the bank. This is double entry bookkeeping system explained through the actual transactions of Sohan and Mohan through their Paytms. This is the bank statement of Sohan, through which debit and credit have been explained to prepare balance sheet. This is the bank statement of Mohanlal. This is the petrol pump of Sohan, and debit and credit entries have been explained through this petrol pump. This is further the statement of Mohan. This is the bank statement of Sohan when he gave 1000 rupees loan to Mohan when his whole luggage was stolen at New Delhi railway station when he came from Kolkata to New Delhi to join at New Post. He came through Sialdah Rajdhani and reached New Delhi railway station on 30 May 2023 at about 10:30 am. The entry of 1000 has been explained through the story of Mohan and Sohan, and debit and credit entries have been learnt by Mohan. This is the R&P account, that is cash flow chart of receipt and payments, and in 3 Dan Patars, Dan Patar 1, Dan Patar 2, Dan Patar 3, and the money is dispersed through various buildings, building number 14, 13, 12 and so on. This is the receipt and payment account. This is the chart of accrued and outstanding expenditures. These buildings are symbols of schedules of balance sheet. The balance sheet has been explained through these schedules, schedule 14 to 9, 8 to 1. These are the blocks of revenue and capital expenditures, and receipts from block number 9, 10, 11. These are the Dan Patars from money has been dispersed through the symbols of taps. These are 3 Dan Patars donation boxes in which the money has been received through the symbols of taps. These are three Dan Patra donation boxes of temple. The story the has been explained through the characters and balance sheet has been prepared on the basis of practical activities of the peoples. The book is very interesting. One can learn the balance sheet accounting concepts even without knowing the commerce. This is the picture of petrol pump as on 31st March on the day of closing. This is the story of balance sheet, third edition. Read it and gain knowledge about accounting systems and balance sheet and its parts, analyze it and prepare the balance sheet for your department, for your company, for your firms, etc. Thank you.